Exactly. So after undergoing major renovations last spring, the iconic New York City institution, the Central Park Boathouse, is back in action and ready for spring and summer dining and boating. Beginning tomorrow, April 16th, the property will open its rowboat rentals for the season. Hey! In tandem with the launch of outdoor dockside dining. I swear I learn something new every day when I read that teleprompter. It's unbelievable.
I just learned a whole lot too, including a great date day. But joining us to share a taste of the Boathouse's new spring menu is Executive Chef Adam Fiscus. Adam, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
This looks incredible. What are we looking at here, and what really makes it a spring menu?
So for the spring menu, what we really focused on was getting local vegetables, very bright colors, and making very light dishes. So I'll walk you through what we have here. This is our spinach salad with a feta cheese, candied walnuts and berries.
Oh.
We have a braised lamb buco, Parker House rolls, baked fresh every day. For sweets, a pavlova, whipped cream,
I was hoping that
and
was
summertime fruits.
Do you want to go shimmy? You can go taste.
Just want to get in.
What do you want to taste? This one?
Oh.
Also buco.
Start with a salad. Start
Okay.
with your vegetables.
There
we go.
That should have been pardon my reach. But,
No, this is fine.
Everything looks delicious.
Thank you.
No, you still have to finish the show.
Oh, right.
Yes.
Tell us, there's a wonderful opportunity. You can eat this delicious food and then also go and boat.
Yes, you can.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
It is a great way to spend a day in the park. Just walk through Central Park, come get a rowboat, and then come by the restaurant, have lunch, have dinner, cocktail, glass of wine. You can grab food to go. It's amazing.
It's a wonderful way to spend an afternoon, whether you're a tourist or whether you are a native New Yorker. I sadly have never done rowboating in Central Park. Have you?
What? You should do a whole segment.
I think we're going to do a whole segment.
Come on
but
by.
Before that, you have your salad. Can you help us make further deliciousness?
This is where I live
Let's
now.
start here first.
Okay, I'll shimmy over here.
I'll shimmy over
Okay.
here.
What do you have?
So this is our buffalo mozzarella salad, which is with shaved white and green asparagus.
That's asparagus?
Yes, it is.
What?
Wow, you use a mandolin for that.
Oh, yes.
No,
And
just
then
great knife skills.
Then we also have some watermelon radish and some fresh picked herbs. This is basil and oregano.
You were not kidding when you said you wanted to highlight some nice fresh vegetables. And
Correct.
herbs.
And then this is a white balsamic vinaigrette. And then we're just going to go a touch of salt and pepper.
Okay.
And then we're just going to toss.
He has the fancy chefy tweezer
Yes,
things.
I do.
They're also good for pesky ear hairs.
Is that right?
Yes, you can get in there. And by the way, watermelon radish tastes nothing like watermelon.
Did you learn that the hard way?
I just made that up. I don't know if that's true at all. We're going to find out together.
It does not taste like watermelon. So this is one of the offerings
Yes, it is.
on the spring menu.
This is actually one of our current best sellers.
I can see why. And what is this star
Oh, come on.
that you just put on there?
So this is the buffalo mozzarella, and this is a sunchoke crumble, which is made from cooking down sunchokes, which is a Jerusalem artichoke.
Okay, so this is why he's a professional chef and I just eat. I thought that might have been like, I don't know, graham crackers that he mushed together, and it was going to be a sweet savory situation. No, it's a sunchoke. I mean, come on.
That'd be the worst
Then we
chopped
have
basket.
some aged
mozzarella and graham crackers.
Balsamic,
Beautiful.
EVOO, a little shot chive oil,
Oh, come on.
and then we're just going to top with just a touch more salt and
Okay.
pepper for the
Actually,
cheese.
we're going to top
All
with
right.
just my fork.
Okay.
I'm going to try this one.
Please.
Is there one more
Yes,
you can,
there is.
you can
What do
do
we got?
for us real fast, and I'll just
Come on
do
over
this?
here.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is the tartare.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And this is an Italian tartare.
Is that right? Okay.
That's
is that
right.
tuna?
Tartare.
Yes. So we have
Tuna.
chilies.
Huh?
We have a citrus zest, some capers,
Beautiful.
Okay.
some fresh herbs.
Go on.
Okay. Now we're going to dress with some good oil
Yes.
It's like a perfectly choreographed dance.
I couldn't
And-
hear a word you
business.
said over
and
the
a
food.
touch of some citrus
Now
juice.
listen, I don't know what you're doing when you're not at the boathouse, but there's a booth at City Field with some hungry employees. Do you think?
Absolutely.
All right, we can make this
We
happen.
would love to.
Now feeding.
Chef, thank you so much. The Boathouse opens for rowboat rentals and outdoor dining tomorrow. And for more information, go to centralparkboathouse.com.